Hello and welcome to another episode of Cook Cook Cook. Hope you and your family is doing perfectly well. We all know and believe that India runs on tea. Alright, so why not make it healthy? With a little bit of twist into it and a few ingredients, I think the regular tea that we consume on a daily basis could add to improve our immunity. So that is something that we're going to see today. So we will see how to make a nice and healthy ginger tea. So stay tuned and see how it is made. Alright, so the ingredients for the tea is pretty simple and straightforward. I'm going to be taking a saucepan, and you first need to know how many cups of tea do you wish to make. So I'm making about 2 cups of tea right now. So I have like 1.5 cup of water poured into my saucepan, and now I will bring this to a boil. While my tea is boiling, I will add in a piece of cinnamon, just a small stick of cinnamon. You could either choose to put in like 2 cloves or a cardamom. It completely depends on what flavor you like the most. Alright, while the water is boiling, what I would do is I will bring down the flame. So in this case I'm using an induction stove, so I'm going to bring it to 350 and put in about a teaspoon of tea powder. And I'm going to let the tea brew so that I have all the flavors of the tea secreted into the water. Alright, now the tea is been boiling for a while. I will add in a piece of ginger. So it depends on what kind of flavor you like. I usually prefer a stronger flavor of the ginger. So I'm going to scrape the ginger into the tea. You have other alternative of crushing it, but I believe that when you scrape it into the tea, you have a much stronger flavor. Alright, now we're going to let it to boil for some more time, just so that you are able to smell the ginger that is boiling. This has now been boiling for about 3 minutes, so I will add in the sugar. So sugar is as per your taste, how much sugar you usually prefer for your tea. Alright, once the sugar is in, give it a gentle stir and let it come to a boil. What I'm going to do now is increase the flame just so that I have the right temperature to add in my milk. Okay, when it is boiling, I will now pour in the milk, because I don't really want to cook all of this again in the milk. What I would want to do is let all the essence just blend with the milk instantly while it's completely hot and boiling. So our ginger tea is almost ready. Yeah. There you go. Let's pour this out into a cup and see how it looks. So as you can see, my ginger tea is ready, and please do try this at home and make your tea time a little more healthier. Thank you and have an awesome day.